Okay, so there are three topics we will be handling today. That is clocks, calendar, and sequence and series. So these three topics are, are important in terms of understanding your IQ level and all that. Even this examination is conducted for that reason only. Why the CS department, the CS associations are making this, entrance exam is to make sure you are up to the IQ level for your intermediate or final. So what I am trying to explain here with this concepts is if you are writing the bank exam later on, what we call it as PO exam or clerical exam or SSC exam or any of this one day examination, whatever we call it, the entrance exam for any of this government and civil service or any of that, it will have these kind of IQ test. So this particular exam is also, a part of your IQ test. There in this paper there will be law. With that there will be logical reasoning. So you have to understand that comprehending these two things within the time period and all that thing. I will be showing you the whole question paper also. Actually, my old students, we have already discussed few question papers also. So you know how the question paper comes and what is the matter and all that. But today I will be confining my teaching to only these three topics. So this is IQ based topics. You just have to understand how the questions are being asked in the examinations and how you have to prepare and what are the theories you should know about this, all these things. Okay. So we will go through part by part. You will get it. And by the way, you all have got the material I have sent, no? Good morning, Rachita. Good morning, Bhumika. Good morning, everybody out there. You have got the material, whatever I have sent. Have you got the material? Hello, everyone. You have got the material? Yes? You got the material? Yeah, Nishchit. Hello, Nishchit. You got the material? Okay. Please ask your coordinators. If at all you have not got the material, please make sure you have got the material. Okay. So I will be revising through the material itself, and then I will be going to the solving of problems. So first of all, please let's go back to the thing what we have learned in our normal classes. So just a revision of what all we have learned, so that we can do the questions now. So everybody, these are the basics what we went through in our normal classes to understand the problems and all like that. These are very basic things. There is not even a level of bank examination questions will be asked. This is one level lower itself. So you don't have to worry too much. They are asking a very preliminary level question. For that, this much of information is more than enough. So let's start with the thing here. So what are they doing here? What are they asking here? And how are they doing here? Let's go with that thing first. Okay. So clock is in circular shape. So of course you need to understand, everybody have seen a clock. So these are the things like that. They are talking about simple things in the beginning. So they are talking about clock here. So and it is divided into 60 equal minutes, and 60 minutes spaces to 360. So it's a very simple thing. You have to, angle is divided into that much. So if you divide by 60, what happens? So each half an hour, how much degree? So every 15 minutes you're getting perpendicular means. So every 15 minutes is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So like that you can go on 90 divided again 3. If you divide 90 into actually 2 equal half, it is for 45 degree. 45 degree is 15 ka, half is 7.5. So every 7.5 minutes, that is 7 minutes 30 seconds, you will be covering 45 degree. Like that we can go on thinking like that also, but there are lovely shortcuts. You don't have to think like this in the examination. There are lovely shortcuts for this, so don't worry. But this is basic information one should know. You have also learned it. I'm also revising about it. Okay, when it comes to problem, it was much dependent on the shortcut formulas and things like that. But however, we are just going through the theory here. Clock are perpendicular in 15 minutes, spaces apart. Straight line and opposite to each other are in 30 minutes. Straight line and opposite. So opposite means what? There is a point here. There is a point here. Hope you remember. Straight line is different and opposite is different, right? The opposite is this. This is opposite, which is in a straight line. Also, coincide is also called as the straight line. This is coinciding. Small letter and both are called straight line. Okay. So I can't say opposite is equal to straight line, because opposite is equal to straight line and also it is equal to the coincide. So coincide is equal to opposite is equal to straight line. So straight line is both of them. Both of them. That's why straight line and opposite are each other at 30 minutes. Straight line, when they coincide or opposite, both are called straight lines. Coincide or opposite, both are called straight lines. Perpendicular to each other 22 times in 12 hours. Perpendicular means what? 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, so again, that could be a straightforward question. And also they talk about few other things, that is coincides with each other 11. So straight lines, if they ask straight lines in 12 hours, this 11 plus this 11, opposite and coincide 22 times, I can say. Are you getting it? So when they're asking straight lines, I can take both of this, I can take both of this together, I can call it as 22 times in 12 hours about straight line. Are you getting it? Straight line means combining these two together. So minute hand gain 55 minutes over the hour hand per hour. Okay, so minute hand gain 55 minutes. So that means, are you getting it? Every time a clock is moved one full circle, clock has made a one full circle. Clock here is making the minute hand has moved 360 degree. Imagine it has moved 360 degree. Okay. Now with that, the hour hand would have moved 5 degree. Yes or no? Or 5 minutes it have been moved. Okay. 5 minutes. So 360 degrees, 60 minutes. 360 degrees, 60 minutes. And 5 degree the hour hand. So how much is the overtaking? Over, how much over the hour hand? So our hand has moved only 5 minutes or 5 minutes, and the minutes have moved 55 minutes. So 55 minutes, our hand moved, the minutes have moved 60 minutes. So the minutes hand have moved 60 minutes. Our hand have moved 5 minutes. So overtaking by how much? So minutes hand is overtaking the hour hand by how many minutes? 55 minutes. That's what they are trying to say. The gain is overtaking. Gain means what? Overtaking. Overtaking by only 55 minutes, because this has moved 5 minutes and this has moved 60 minutes. So overtaking by 55. So it is a simple concept. Okay, we don't use it that much, but it's a lovely concept to understand. So we are trying to understand that. So after that, we are going to the calendar concept. So what are we doing at calendar concept is, the year is 365.2422 days approximately. This is the issue we are facing. The actual 1 year, one full rotation of Earth around the Sun is 365.2422 days. So that much extra, that much time it takes for that full rotation around the Sun. But in a common year, commonly we can't take in a calendar, we can't represent 2.4. We need to take one full day in 1 year, or we need to take off a full day in 1 year. So in a common year, we take 365 days. And this 2.422, 2.422, 2.422, 4 times if I put, it will be almost equal to 1, but not 1, almost equal to 1. So when it is almost equal to 1, on a fourth year, the fourth year, I will be putting an extra day, that is 365 day. That extra day year is called leap year. Do you remember that? So we omit one extra day over 400 years. Over 400 years, we will omit an extra day 3 times over a year. Okay, 3 times over 400 years. The first year we will take one extra leap year. We will not take one extra day, and here also second year we will not take, third year we will not take, 400th year we will add one day. Okay, we will add a day here. Okay, so here we vomit, here we vomit, here we vomit, here we will not vomit. So this is the leap year. 400th year is the leap century, we can call it as. So that much depth, again, the questions are not asked in CSEET. They are not asking at CSEET. At CSEET, they are keeping their standards of question very, and also at max they may ask one or at max two questions on this concept, both, including both calendar and clock. At max 2 questions. In a very, very rare case, they can ask 3 questions, not more than that. For 1 or 2 questions, they would ask a medium or lower level question, not at a very higher level question. But understanding this will give you a full picture. So we had done a understanding here. So you know that number of odd days and all, how it will work. Number of odd days in 100 years is 5. Why 5? We have done that calculation. Hope you remember. So 365 days means there will be 52 weeks and one extra day. So you can see that in 100 years, how many leap years will come? How many leap years will come? 25 leap years. Very good. But in 25 leap years, we need to omit one. So we will have to take only 24 leap years, 24 leap years, 24 leap years. But here at 400, we need to take all 25 leap years. We have to omit one here. You'll have to omit one day here, omit one day here, omit one day here. We need to consider. So 24 means, 24 leap year means 24 extra days. 24 divided by 7 is how much? So you will be getting 5 extra days. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear? Yes, very good. Here also, 24, 5 extra days you will be getting here. 5 extra days you will be getting here. Here also 5 extra days into 2, because for 200 years. So you will be getting 24 plus 24, that is 48. Again, you divide by 7. There will be, here there was remainder 5, here there was remainder 3, here there was remainder 1, and here one extra day will be added. So remainder is 0. So this is what we did. So 400 years, 800 years, 1200, 1600, all this will not have any odd days or extra days over a week. So it will be full complete week. Okay. So you can see that every 400 years, if at all you have started from Sunday, it will end by Sunday. So it will full week. You start by Sunday, at the end of 400th year, it will end by Saturday. Full week, it will complete the weekend, it will shut down the 400th year. Same thing will happen at the 800th year. Same thing will happen at the 1200th year. So normally we start the week by Monday in our calendars, and in our Indian system of calendar, whatever you hang in the wall out there and all, we start the week by Sunday. From a holiday we start. So you can see that the red things will be in the top. So those are all holidays. They start the week from Sunday. But not every month will start from Sunday, is it? They will start from somewhere middle in the week. That is the normal thing I'm talking. So even that they will use sometimes to distract you in the question. So in an ordinary year, there are 365 days that we have already spoken that contains one extra day. So about the clock, this was the amazing shortcut. Hope you remember. This is the angle is equal to, what is this? This is a lovely shortcut which comes with the two mannerisms. It comes in two mannerisms. Angle, hope you remember, angle between the R. So it is 11 by 2 into minutes we put here. Minutes we put here. Minus 30 and hours we put here. Hours we substitute there. And it is modulus. Angle, there is no plus or minus. Modulus means if it is coming negative also, we take it positive. If it is coming positive also, we take it positive only, we don't change. So modulus means we need to keep the angle positive. We need to keep that angle positive. That's what we are trying to do there. Is this clear, everybody? That's what we are trying to do there. So what I am trying to say with this is, this shortcut is one of the most important shortcut in the clocks and calendar. There would be one question surely on this shortcut flow. So please make no excuse in learning this shortcut. This is important. Angle is equal to 11 by 2 minutes minus 30 into hours. That is multiplication here. That is not minutes actually there. We are multiplying that value. So here you can see that the clock is showing 6.5. 6.5. 6 means 6 hours. I'm putting hours in the place of H. Okay. And minutes, I'm putting 30 minutes here. And if I'm getting 15 degree here is the right answer. 15 I'm getting, this is modulus. This is modulus. So 165, it is not minus 15 or plus 15, it is angle. Angle is always positive. So here, the angle between them is 15 degree. Is this clear, people? Do you remember all this? Hello? Do you remember? I'm just revising. I'll be going to the new question. I'm just revising what we did. Do you remember all this? Yes? Okay. Very similarly, at what time between 3 and 4 o'clock? See, again, it will be in the straight line and opposite direction, not coincide. Coincide means 0 degree. Do you remember? Coincide means this will become 0 degree. Coincide means this will become 0 degree. Hope you remember. Here they have given 180 degree. Okay. So they have given 180 degree here. So we are solving again the same thing because it will be over the 3 o'clock. So in the clock, when you take a clock here, between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock means this is 3 here, this is 9 here, this is 6 here. So where does 4 and 5 come? 4 and 5. Between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock means the hour hand will be 3 o'clock past. So hour will be 3 o'clock. Where in how many minutes it will become 180 degrees what we are finding. M we are finding. So it is just the cross multiplication. This kind of problem also we have done. Hope you remember, it is just the cross multiplication. I'm just revising. I'll be going further, but I'm just revising what I did so that when I do a fresh problem, you can remember that. And also here, by how many degrees the minute hand move in the same time in which the hour hand has moved 28 degree. If they give the degree here, we are multiplying by 12. We are multiplying by 6 and 2, we are 12. If they give the degree of the hour hand, okay, and they are asking for the minute hand, so we are multiplying by 12. So 300 and 360 degree, that is into 12 times they would have moved. Yes or no? Because for every 1 hour they will make one full rotation. Every 1 hour they will make one full rotation. So 28 degree it has moved. That means 12 times they will move that. Yes or no? 12 times extra they will be moving. Is this clear? So into 12, if the hour hand has moved 28 degree, then the 12 times the minute hand would have been moved. So 3000 this is degree here, 330 336 degree here. Please change it. It is a print mistake. Please make it degree, not 0 here. 336 degree it would have been, moved if this have moved 28 degree. Are you getting it, people? Are you getting it? Sure. Because why I'm talking about the degree like this is it is just simple concept of the moving how many times. See, if at all it has moved once, see, it is a very simple thing, people. It is a very simple thing. In a clock, if the hour hand has moved 5 degree, okay, then the clock will be moving how much? One full rotation. One full rotation from here to here it will move. 360 degree it will move. 360 degree for a degree of how much? For a degree of how much? 30. Okay. What is 360 divided by 30? What is, this is hour. Do you understand? So 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. For which? For our hand. For our hand. Okay. So 1 hour is equal to 360 degree for minute hand. Yes or no? Minute hand. So if you divide it, you will get it what? 12. Yes or no? 3 ones are, 3 twos are. You will get 12. So 12 times it will move. The number of times is 12 here. The number of times is 12 here. Is this clear, everybody? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? That's why we are multiplying by 12. The ratio of the hour hand, minute hands to hour hand is 12 is to 1. Okay, you can take a ratio like that. You can take a ratio like that. I can say this is 360 degree again. Okay, so minute hand is to hour hand. A degree ratio, minute hand degree to hour hand degree, I can say minute hand is 12 is to 1. So if this is 28 degree, what is x value? If you do the cross multiplication, you will get the answer. So this is the ratio I can give you. Please take down the hour hand degree and minute hand degree ka ratio. Minute hand degree and hour hand degree ka ratio is 12 is to 1. Okay. The minute hand degree is to the hour hand degree is 12 is to 1. So with this you can solve any of this problem. Any of this problem. This is the shortcut. Second shortcut we had learnt on this is 12 is to 1. Is this shortcut everybody remember, people? Is this shortcut everybody remember? Do you understand why every 1 hour is 30 degree? Okay, 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, like that. It is 360 degree. Every 5 minutes is also 30 degree. For minute hand, 5 minutes is 30 degree. For hour hand, 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. So that is it. Okay. Coincide. Coincide means 0 degree. Hope you remember the same formula. Coincide 11. The same thing. Modulus will come. The same thing. It is the thing what we are talking about. Hope you remember. Very good. This is what I have spoken. And again, I'm talking about how many degrees will the minute hand move in the same time in which the second hand move 48 degrees is. Okay. 480 degree it is. So 480 degree. They are talking about 480 degree. Again, I'm talking about the minute hand to the second hand here. Minute hand to the second hand. In 1 minute, how much is the seconds moving? It is almost the same thing. It is almost the same thing. I can talk about the same thing. In 1 minute, if the clock 60 times, yes, very good. The minute hand degree, minute hand degree is to the second hand degree. For 1 minute, how many seconds it will move? How many degrees it will move? How many times it will move? For 1 minute, how many times this will move? 60 times it will move. Are you getting it, people? So the minute is covering, the second hand is covering how much? 480. It is covering how much? So what is this x value? The cross multiplication, you will get the answer. X value is nothing but 480 divided by 60. Are you getting it? The cross multiplication, you will get the value 60x is equal to 480. You will get the answer as 80 degree here. Are you getting it, people? So again, this is just the ratio they are taking and doing it. Hope you have understood this ratio. Everybody got this ratio, minute hand to second hand ratio? Everybody understood this, people? Hello? Yes, okay, this is a shortcut we were talking about. Okay, very good. So let's go further and we talk about the next question here. How many years have 29 days in February from 2001 to 2100? So in 100 years, how many 29th February will come? Hope you remember. Hope you remember. So for 100 years, in 100 years, 25 will come, but one we are omitting. Do you remember? For 100th year, for first 100 year, we are removing 1. For 200 year, we are removing 2. For 300 year, we are removing 3. For 400 year also, we are removing 3 because for fourth 100 year, we are not, that is a leap year. All 25 leap year we're going to give there. But for first 100, second 100 and third 100, we are going only giving 24 leap years. Hope you remember. Hope you understood. Have you understood that concept? Have you understood that concept? If not, let me give you an understanding on that. Bhumika, what 8 degree you're talking about, ma? What is the 8 degree you're talking about? Can you see the new screen? Can you see the new screen here? See here, what I am trying to say is in 4 year, first year, it is 365 days. Second year, it is 365 days. Third year, it is 365 days. And fourth year, it is 366 days. So it is called leap. This is called leap. Very similarly, first 100 year, first 100 years, we will be giving 76 normal years, normal, and 24 leap years. Okay. Second 100 years, second 100 years, also we will be giving 76 normal years and 24 leap years. Yeah, Bhumika, that is 8 degrees, print mistake. So here we will be going to the third 100 years. Also it is 76th normal, 76 normal year and 24 leap year. But at the fourth 100 year, I will be getting how much? 75 normal year and 25 leap year. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear? Sure, understood this part? Yes? Pakka? So how many odd days this will have? This will have 5 odd days. Now 5 2s are 10. So how many this? 3 odd days. And this will have 1 odd day. This will have 0 odd day. Yes or no? So in the first year, how many odd day will be there? 1 odd day. And here it will be 2 odd day. And here it will be 3 odd day, and here it will be 4 odd day. Okay, 5 odd day. One extra day will be added. 5 odd days will be there in the 4 years here. Is this clear, everybody? So odd days is those extra days over the this thing. Okay. Okay. So we are going to the next question here. Next question there. So this is 8 degree. Not 8 degree this is, not 80, 8 degree. Thank you, Bhumika. So, the degrees that have become 80 there. Okay, please check out in your calculator. That is, in your calculator, you'll get to know what it is. So next, let's go on to the next question here. 2012 January 1st is Sunday. Then which day in the Indian Independence Day of the same year? So January I will have 30 days. January I will have 30 days. Feb I will have 29 days. March I will have 31 days. April I will have 30 days. May I will have 31 days. June I will have 30 days. July I will have 31 days, and August 15th. So I'm saying August is 15 days after that. So when I divide 227, if I add, I'm guessing this, the 227. So remainder is how much? Remainder is nothing but 3. So 3 is the remainder. So it's going to be Wednesday. It's going to be Wednesday, including the 15th August. We have done it. So 3 is the remainder. You're going to get it. So that is a Wednesday. So, Monday, Tuesday, and the next will be Wednesday there. Is that clear, everybody? Sunday we take it as 0, Monday we take it as 1, Tuesday and Wednesday, second and third. Is this clear, everybody? Because it started with Sunday there. It started with Sunday there. Is this clear? Any doubt on this, people? Any doubt on this? So again, how to check year is leap year or not? How to check an year is leap year or not? See here, if it is leap year, the extra odd days will be 2. Okay, and if it is not a leap year, it will be 1. So you can see that you have to take something and you have to divide by 4. Divide by 4. Now when you are dividing by 4, and last should not be 100 here, the last is 100 here, so it should not be divided by 100. If it is divided by 100, then it is a different case. That is a different case. Here it is not divisible by 8. Here it is not divisible by 4. 7 plus 8, 9, 12. Here it is 7 plus 8, 9. Here the sum is 9. Here 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 2. Here it is 10. Here 7 plus 8, it is 8 plus is 11. So even this is not a leap year. So this must be leap year and this must be leap year. Are you getting it? So here also it is divisible by 8 and here it is 12. So both are divisible by 8. So here it is leap year. Here it is leap year. So here we are taking, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the next, as the same calendar will be the next year there. You can see that happening at 2007-5. It will be giving the same calendar after 7 days. Are you getting it, people? Are you getting it? Okay, got it, everybody? Okay. We have done all this. So even this one, it is very simple. It is just counting the days in the calendar. Nothing special about this. So this is nice actually. March 1st is Wednesday. Which month of the year will start with the same again? Let me start with this. Here you will be having a little bit of conflict to understand. So here, if it is starting from Wednesday, March will have how many days? March will have how many days? 31 days. 31 days. And it is Wednesday. So if you are told you are dividing by 7, how many extra days we going to get here? 31 days divided by 7. What is the remainder here? What is the remainder here? What is the remainder? 3 is the remainder. Yes or no? 3 is the remainder. 28 will go. 3 is the remainder. 28, brother. Shraddha, 28. 21, 7 3 is a 21, 7 4 is a 28. Remainder is 3. So if it is 30 divided by 7, what is the remainder? I'm asking remainder. Remainder is 2. So here it is 31 days, 30 days, 31 days, 30 days, 31 days, 30 days. It is not becoming divided by 7. You can see that it is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Again, it should be multiple of 7. 7, 14, something like that should come. You go on adding, you go on adding, you go on adding, you go on adding. In the November, it will be 21, which is divisible by 7. So again, it will repeat at that point of time. Till then, it will not repeat. Are you getting it? Should go on adding. It should be 7 days, no? 7 full complete. It should happen. And again, it should start from that. So that is, these are the examples given in your textbook. These things are there in your textbook. And these are given in your model question papers. These are given in your model question paper. Today is Monday. After 61 days, it will be what? So again, we are doing the same thing. We are dividing by 7 here. We are dividing by 7. 61 divided by 7. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? What is the remainder here, people? What is the remainder? Remainder means smaller you should go. 7, how much the nearest value for 61? 7 5 is a 7 8 is a, how much it is? 7 8 is a 56. Yeah, 7 8 is a 56. So remainder is nothing but 61 minus 56. What is 61 minus 56? What is 61? 5. So after Monday, 61 days have happened. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you can see, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saturday is the answer. This is the 5th day. This is the 5th day. Are you getting it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Saturday is the answer. This is given in your model question paper. Hope you remember this thing. Okay. So these types are important. So accurately, the clock shows 10 o'clock in the morning. Through how many degrees will the hour hand rotate when the clock shows 6 o'clock in the evening? So how many degrees that the hour hand will rotate, they are asking. So 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock. 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Again, I'm saying every hour is 30, and I'm saying once again, every 1 hour is 30 degree. Every 1 hour is 30 degree. From 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. How many times it has come? How many hours it has moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 30 into 8, people? What is 30 into 8? What is 30 into 8? 240. Very good, people. That is the answer. Every 1 hour is 30 degree for our clock. Every 1 hour is 30 degree. Remember, every 1 hour is 30 degree. Again 30 degree. Again 30 degree. Are you getting it? So it will be 90 degree. So it is 12, 1, 2. Again 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. It will be 90 degree. These are 30 degrees. So it will be 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Again 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. Okay, 30, 30, 30. So it is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and this is 9 o'clock. 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. So it is 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and here it is 12 o'clock. You can see that. So 30 will come 12 times. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 30 degree will come. Is this clear, everybody? That's why we say every 1 hour the minutes hand have moved 12 times. So 12 times it is. Okay, it's a very simple thing. 8 hours it has moved. For each hour we are giving 30 degree. So answer is 240. So all these are shortcut based problems itself. I'm talking about the shortcuts. Okay. The correct clock shows 9 o'clock in the morning, through which how many degrees the hand will move when it is showing 3 o'clock. So come on, you do this, people. 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. How many hours have passed? 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. How many hours it has passed? So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. How many hours it has passed? 6 hours. So 6 into 30 is how much? 6 into 30 is how much? 180 degree. Yes or no? Or you can also say it was, yeah, you can also say directly it was at 3 o'clock. Now it is, sorry, 9 o'clock. Now it is at 3 o'clock. So it is directly 180 degree also. You can say it directly also. Are you getting it? 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock. In your clock, it is 180 degree. Is this clear? Directly also, you can say this. So all simple things, people. Hope you can remember. At what time 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock will hands be together? So again, together means what? What is the meaning of together? Coincide. The word is coincide. Again, we will be using the shortcut formula. What is the shortcut formula, people? What is the shortcut formula? Angle is equal to modulus of, what is the shortcut formula? Come on. 11 by 2 into minutes minus 30 into hours. Are you getting it, people? Modulus will be there. The angle is 0 degree. Together means 0 degree. So after, past 7 o'clock, they are saying. So after 7 o'clock, so it is, we don't know how many minutes. We don't know how many minutes, but it is 30 into 7. It is 30 into 7. So how much it is? 7 threes are? 7 threes are? Yes, 21. 21 goes that side. 21 into 2 divided by, 11 is the thing here. 11 is the thing here. Yes? Is equal to m. So if at all I do this, it's going to be how much? Yeah. 42 by 11. 42 by 11, we can write it as 38 plus 2 by 11. We can do like this also. So it's all the same thing. It's all the same thing. We can do by that formula. So 7 o'clock past they are talking about. So we will get the same answer if we do by that method. Is this clear, everybody? Any doubt on this, people? Any doubt on this? Any doubt on this, people? Okay. So if at all we are going for sequence and series, again, we are talking about, before we go to that, we will solve some more problems on this. We will be solving some more problems on this. We will be solving some more problems on this. Okay, try this question, people. These are the nice questions what I wanted to solve with you. Okay, so here you go. The first question is on your screen. And there are a lot of shortcuts we can discuss with this. Okay, are you ready? I will be sending this question later on. Try to solve with me. Come on, try to solve this. Come on, try to solve this. So what is the thing is, you need to understand few things here. Let me remind you once again. 1 hour, that is 5 minutes, will cover how much? 30 degree. Yes or no? Per 1 minute, how much it will cover? No, 6 degree it will cover. Remember, 2 hands, it is 6 degree for 1 minute. For 1 minute, 6 degrees. For 1 minute, it is 6 degree. For, each minute makes 6 degrees. So in 3 minutes, how much it will make, people? In 3 minutes. So for 3 minutes is how much? For 3 minutes. 3 into 6 is how much? 18 is the answer. 18 degree. Is this clear, everybody? Are you getting it? If they are 1 minute apart, then it is 6 degrees. It is 6 degrees. 1 minute is 6 degrees. Is this clear, everybody? Because to make a full rotation, it makes 60 minutes. 60 minutes into 6 degrees is equal to 360 degree total. Is this clear, everybody? Any doubt on this, people? Hello, are you listening to this? So 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. So 3 minutes is equal to 18 degrees. Is this clear? Hello, everybody. Is this clear? Any doubt on this, people? Any doubt on this? Any doubt on this? Okay. Okay. So I'll be giving you the second question here. Okay. I'll be giving different question. Whatever I have solved there, very similar question I'm not giving. Slightly different questions I'm giving so that you can think a little bit. And I'm giving almost like 30-40 seconds so that you can try. Come on, have a pen and paper. And I want you to try a little. Come on, try this problem. How would you do this problem? How would you do this problem? Yes, very clearly. We will be using the same formula. Angle is equal to, I can put modulus 11 by 2 minutes into minutes minus 30 into hours. So it is 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. So what do we do normally? We can take plus or minus also. Angle is 90 degree. So we take 11 by 2 into minutes we don't know minus 30 into 4. Hours is 4. So 120 comes here, 120 goes that side. So there are two ways here. I can take plus or minus. Since it is modulus, I can take plus or minus here. So there can be two things happening. There can be two things happening because of this. Can be two things happening. That is 120 plus 90 and 120. So it will be 90 plus 120 is equal to 11 by 2 m. It can happen, or it can be negative also. So it can be negative also. That is 120 minus 90 is equal to 11 by 2 into m also. So here how many minutes I'm going to get here? Here how many minutes I'm going to get here? 120 plus 90 into 2 divided by 11. How many minutes? And here how many minutes? Is 4 o'clock only. After 4 o'clock, how many minutes? How many minutes? We're going to get here and here. Diksha, which one? Left or right? When I add or when I subtract? 120, when you add, you're getting 38. When I subtract, how much I'm getting, ma'am? When I'm subtracting, how much I'm getting? When I'm subtracting, how much I'm getting? So 38 is the direct answer. When I'm subtracting, Diksha, how much I'm getting? A very minute value we're going to get there. Oh, 545. 545 is more than 5. Yeah, 545 is more than 5.45. 5 minutes, 45 minutes they are saying. 5 minutes and 45 seconds they are saying. 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 45 seconds they are saying. Okay, so again, this is not there in the option. 5 minutes is not there in the option. 5.45 is not there in the option. So 38 is there. So 38 is the right answer. Is this clear, everybody? Any doubt on this, people? Any doubt on this problem? If they ask the angle itself, how will you do that? If they ask the angle itself, how will you do that? How will you do that? Yes, directly you can do by that method also. So here is the next question. Again, what will be the angle between the hands of the clock at 2:30? The same formula you can have here also. Angle is equal to 11 by 2 into minutes plus or minus. You will have 30 into hours. So what is the minutes? Minutes is 30 into 30 plus or minus. I will have 30 into hours is 2. So how much I am getting here? 330 divided by 2 plus or minus 60. What is 330 divided by 2? What is 330 divided by 2? Yeah, 300 by 2 is 150. That is 165. 165 plus or minus 60. So we will get two answers here. What are the two answers? What are the two answers? 165 minus 60 is 105, or you will get it as how much? 165 plus 60 is how much? 225. Which option is there? Which option is there? Which option? Only one option they will be giving. Only one of this value they will be giving. That is 105. Is this clear, everybody? Any doubt on this, people? Any doubt on this? Okay. Clear. So next question also is depending on that ratio. Next question is also depending on that ratio, whatever we will be doing. So what is the ratio we're going to do here for this? In 16 minutes, the minute hand gains over the hour hand by. Hope you remember the minute hand and hour hand ka ratio. Minute hand, the gain I'm talking, the gain, minute hand gain over the hour hand gain to the hour hand gain. And gain. How much is the gain? Minute hand would go 60 minutes, where hour hand will be going for 5 minutes. Are you getting it? This is the difference. Now, in 16 minutes, the minute hand will gain over how many hour hand? Okay. So, what is the gain here? What is the gain here? What is the gain here, people? In degrees, I can say here it will make a 360 degree and here it will make a 30 degree. Yes or no? In degree, it will make a 30 degree and here it will make a 360 degree. So how much degree ka advance does it have? How much degree ka advance? It is having 330 degree ka advance. Yes or no? Yes or no? So I can say 330 degree maximum it will take, and how many, and for 16 minutes, and if I put it divided by 60, what is the answer? What is the answer, people? For 60 degree, what is the answer? '88 is the right answer, people. 88 is the right answer. Very good, very good, very good, people. You have done a good job there. So here you can see that the transfusion is 330 degree ka gain. This is gain. Gain is 330 degree. We are doing it for 16 minutes. And 16 minutes out of how many minutes? Out of 60 minutes. Okay. 16 by 60 is the ratio. Gain is 330 degree. So 88 degree ka gain it will get. 88 degree ka gain it will get. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear? Any doubt on this, people? Any doubt on this? Subtracting, no. See, they are talking about gain, brother. They are not talking about how much is that and this. Okay, they are talking about the gain. See, how much the hour hand moved in 16 minutes is, we will take the ratio. Are you getting it? See, if it is 360 divided by, and if I take here per 30, and if I move, if I put in 16 minutes, so if I put a 16 minutes here, 16 minutes means, if I put minutes here, it is almost in degree I have to convert. So in 16 minutes ka degree I have to convert. So it is 55, 60 minutes, and here it is 5 minutes. So in terms of that, in terms of this, the gain is how much? What is the gain, brother? What is the gain? The overtaking, it is overtook by 330 degree. Overtaking is 330 degree, right? The gain is 330 degree. So here, what is the gain? Here, gain I'm talking about. The gain here is 16 minutes. 16 minutes. Per how many minutes? per 60 minutes. Okay, here 330 degree per how many? Per 360 degree. Are you getting it, brother? Gain is 330 degree per 360. Here it is 16 minutes per 60 minutes. So I have to convert it for the gain. I have to convert it for the gain here for 330 degrees. So I'm taking 16 minutes per 60, 16 minutes per 60, and the gain is, I have to convert it into degree. So this is the gain, 16 minutes gain for 16 minutes I've gone. So I have to convert it into degree. The gain is 330 degree of gain, subtraction. The subtraction is subtract 360 by 30, that is the gain. And in minutes, 55 minutes the gain will happen. Are you getting it? That's what I was explaining. This is 5 minutes. And the whole clock is 60 minutes. So gain is how much? This is 55. 55 is the gain. Very similarly, or 30 degree. So this will be 55 minutes means it is 330 degree. Are you getting it? That is the gain. Are you getting it? So that's why you will be getting it as 88. Got it? Got it? Okay. Next question. So sometimes they will ask the same opposite direction question. Would you try this? I want you to try the next question. I want you to try this next question. Come on. At 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So it should be, the answer should be option A. Can I say it directly? Can I say it directly option A without any calculation? Why? Could you tell me, people? Can I say directly it is option A? Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why directly I am saying this is option A? Yeah, because that is the only one which is having between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. Okay, that is the only answer which is having the time between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. They are asking the answer between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So that is the answer there. You can get that as the answer directly. Is this clear, everybody? Got it? That is the only answer between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. That is the only answer there which is between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. That is past 9. This is past 8. This is past 7. This is past 8. So between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock is option A. So without any calculation, directly I'm saying option A is the right answer. This is where sometimes you can do it directly also. Is this clear, everybody? Are you bored? Would you like to watch wildlife video, people? Whether you're bored, I can give you a wildlife video. Are you bored? Yes? Okay. So you have, have you seen skydiving people dive from the, planes and all? They do this with parachute and all. They do scuba diving, or scuba diving is underwater. Skydiving from the plane. Have you seen it? Would you like to see an animal doing it? Okay, animal means it's a very nice animal. Okay, I will show this video.
Through the canopy, along vines and branches. The gliding tree frog lives almost exclusively in the treetops of dense tropical jungles. Hundreds of feet above the forest floor, the tree frog spends its days ambling through the canopy, along vines and branches. It uses its large, sticky hands and feet to grip onto any available foliage. At this height, any misplaced step could be fatal, so slow and steady is the game. But falling to their death is not the tree frog's only concern. The canopy is also home to a deadly predator. The tree boa. It is thin, lightweight, and lightning fast. The sure-footed tree frog is an easy target. The snake moves effortlessly through the branches, closing in on the frogs. With nowhere to hide, the frogs take a leap of faith. As they plummet toward the forest floor, they extend their hands and feet to unravel their large, extensive webbing. They are not so much flying as falling with style. The thin layer of skin between their fingers and toes acts like a parachute. Lateral skin flaps along their arms and legs also catch the air as they free fall. This increased surface area provides enough air resistance to slow an otherwise fatal descent into a controlled glide. Like a skydiver, the frog makes small, subtle movements to steer its way to safety, up to 50 feet away. Their flexible skeletons are modified to absorb the shock on landing, while their oversized sticky toe pads once again grip on for dear life. With the snake left high and dry, the gliding tree frog disappears back into the jungle.
Did you like it? So life is like that when you take a leap of faith, like this examination. Okay, so and you take a skydive, and in the way you are in between the way now the exams are there. Now you have to do a little bit adjustment in your daily life, and you have to study a little more, go through the question paper, how they are asking. You have to go through all that, and then you can come up with the best way to handle this exam, right? Yes, very good. So let's move on to our next question here. Let's move on to our next question here. What is my next question here? What is my next question here? One second. I'm just setting out a little bit. Okay, now it is proper. Okay. Again, they are asking this. This is very important question. They ask this question. Very important type of question. Could you guess this next question, people? Could you guess this next question? Now you can't directly answer it. Okay. The meet means angle between them is 0. Come on, try this. Come on, try this. Okay. How do we do this? By the same shortcut formula. That shortcut formula will be very helpful. Okay, between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. So how many minutes we need to convert it later? So angle between them, the two hands, of a watch meet. Meet means the angle between them will be 0. I'm using the same thing. Angle is equal to 11 by 2 into minutes plus or minus 30 into hours. So angle between them is 0 degree. 11 by 2, how many minutes? We are trying to find that. Plus or minus 30 into hour is 7. So what is the answer we're going to get here? What is the answer we're going to get here? So we're going to get, 21. 21. So 210 into 2 divided by 11 is how much? That is the number of minutes. So the answer is how much, people? M is equal to 38.18 is the right answer. Yes, very good, people. Very good. Very good. That's the right answer there. Okay, cool. Next question. Again, I want you to try this. Very similar question, very similar question. I will not be doing this. I want you to take a screenshot and try it later. Very similar question. Again, they are asking this very similar type of questions. Next question is also very similar. What is the answer for this, people? What is the answer for this? Come on. Anybody got the answer for this? Anybody got the answer for this? Come on, anybody? The conversion would have been slightly issue for you. The conversion would have been slightly an issue for you. Coincide means it is 0 again. So 0 is equal to 11 by 2 into minutes. 11 by 2 into minutes. Okay, Shraddha. Minus or plus or minus 30 into hours is 3. So your minutes, your M is equal to, so it will be 3 3 is a 90. 90 into 2 divided by 11 is how much, people? 90 into 2 divided by 11 is how much? 16.36. Now 16.36 is either here or either here. So which is the right option? Here we have put 3 or 4. It is past 3 or past 4. Tell me, it is past 3 or past 4? Past 3. So you don't have to check. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Still, if you want to check, 4 by 11, just divide them. 4 by 11. So if you first of all you will have to put point, so it will become 40. So 11 threes I should go. 11 threes it is 33. So 33 means how much will be remaining for me here? How much will be remaining? So 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 will be remaining and point is there. So I'll have to take it 70. So 6 I will be taking 66. So it is correct. It is 4 by 11 is 0.36. You can check like this also. If you don't want calculator, you can check like that also. 4 by 11 is the right answer there. Is this clear, everybody? Any doubt on that? Now again, right angle is given and they have given something very peculiar. So this is slightly different. You have to think a little bit more for this next problem. Okay. So between 5:30 and 6 they are asking. Between 5:30 and 6 they are asking. So how will you do this problem for me, people? Come on. How will you do this problem for me? How will you do this problem for me? Come on. What is the answer? Very close to answers I have given there. Very close answers I have given there. So don't worry about 5:30 and all. You can directly grow up to 90 degree here. 90 degree is equal to again 2 by 11. Sorry, 11 by 2. 11 by 2 into minutes we are finding plus or minus. We are going for 30 into hour. I will take directly as 5. That 30 we will not mind much. Okay. So 5 threes are 15. So plus or minus is there. So it is 90 plus or minus 150. Okay. And multiplied by 2 whole divided by 11. So M will give you two options, two values. What are the two values, people? Plus or minus? Two values. Give me the two values. This is modulus. You have to always take positive. I will take 150 plus or minus 90. You will understand better. 150 plus or minus 90. Okay. Now, what are the two values you're going to get here? 43.63. What is the other answer? 0.63 means what? 0.63 means what, people? It is 7 by 11 or 5 by 11. You can directly assume it is 7 by 11. You can check it out. 7 and 11. So point if you keep, it should be 6. Yes or no? It will be 70, 66 will come. When 66 will come there, when 66 will come there, 4 will be remaining, point will be there, 63 will come. So 33, it will go on. So 0.63 is what it is. 0.63 is the right answer. However, what is the other value here? However, what is the other value here? What is the other value? That is the answer. What is the other value? 150 minus 90 into 2 divided by 11. What is the other value? Come on, Diksha, Shraddha, what is the other value? What is the other value? Option B is the right answer. However, it is 133.63. 133 means you can understand 60 minutes have passed. 60 minutes have passed. So, 60 minutes have passed means it is crossing 6 o'clock. It is crossing 6 o'clock. Yes or no? It is crossing 6 o'clock. Since it is crossing 6 o'clock, this can't be the right answer. Is that clear? We can use that 30 minutes also. You can use. We can use that 30 minutes also. No problem. But directly we are getting no 43. Why to worry? Don't worry about that too. That's what I am trying to say. They have given just the confusion to confuse you. They are giving that to confuse you. They are giving that. Okay. Last 30 minutes. Stay with me. Again, they are asking the angle at 325. Try this problem. None of you are trying. None of you are trying. Come on, try this. Give me the answers, people. Come on, try this. Give me the answer. H is 3. M is 0.25 means 25 minutes. 25 minutes. What is the angle? What is the angle, people? Come on, try this for me. Come on, try this. Why nobody is answering? There are so many people out there, 25 people. Come on, answer me. Direct it is. Answer me. Same formula, same formula. They are asking different thing. Yeah, what is the angle? 11 by 2 into 25 minutes, right? Plus 30 into 3. Plus or minus, this is plus or minus. So what is the catch here? What is the catch here? Come on. Come on, brother. Minus, if you do minus 47.5. I am giving two answers here. I'm giving two answers. Plus or minus is there. One is 227.5. One is 47.5. Which is the right answer? 47.5 is the right answer. That's why we put plus or minus here. That's why we take plus or minus here. So when you take plus or minus, either this will be right answer, either this will be right answer. 47.5 is 47 and half is the right answer. Okay. Okay. Again, in these question papers, in your question papers of CAEET, CSEET, CSEET, they are again asking the very similar question. I can't do anything since only 2 to 3 question. Again, they are asking this question. Come on, but I want you to answer this directly. Come on, people. What is the answer? What is the answer here? Okay. What is the answer? 180. Very good. Very good. So let me give you some more questions. Again, very similar question. I will be going to the calendar soon. What would be answer for this? 180 is the right answer for this. Okay, what about this? It got inclined at 5:15 past 5. So what it is? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this question? What is the meaning of this question? What is the meaning of this question? Come on, do this. 5 o'clock 15 minutes. 5 o'clock 15 minutes. Come on. Put hour value as 5 and minutes value as 15. Come on, you can do this. Okay, 67.5 is the right answer. Okay, so maybe you would be getting all this correct. Maybe you will be getting all this correct. So you have got it, no, everybody, you have got it. Can I move on to calendar questions? Can I move on to some calendar questions, people? Yes, few calendar questions I can do. Okay, so here is your first calendar question. Oh, sorry, not this. Here is your first calendar question. Okay, try this. Try this, everyone. What will be the thing here? What thing here? What is happening here, people? What is happening here? What you can do? What will be the day after on the 1st January 2010? They are asking. So at 2000, it is Sunday. Okay. At 2000, it is Sunday. Yes or no? It can be Sunday. So 2001. 2001. There will be one extra day, one odd day. So can it be Monday? Yes, Monday. Okay. Then 2002. Let's go on. Doing the odd day. How many odd day? One odd day will come. So 2002. How many odd day will come? In 2002, how many odd day will come? One odd day. Right? Okay. 2002, one odd day. 2003, one odd day. 2004, 2004, how many odd day? Two odd day. Yes, very good. So 2005, 2005, how many odd day? One odd day. 2006, 2006, 2006, how many odd day? One odd day. Right? 2007, 2007, one odd day. 2008, two odd day. Very good. 2009, one odd day. 2010, one odd day. Sunday, it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So how many days? Thursday, Friday. Wait a minute. 2000 is not Sunday. Sorry. 2000 is 2000 is not Sunday. 2000 is having two odd day. It's a leap year, right? It will have two odd day. It is having two odd day. Okay. So Sunday, Monday, this is Tuesday. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So 2010 first is Sunday. It is. Sunday is the right answer. Is this clear? 2000 is a leap year. 2000 is a leap year. I'm so sorry. There will be two odd days, so it will be Tuesday there. Is this clear? So Sunday it is. 2000 is a leap year, so it will be having two odd days. So that is Tuesday. Is this clear? Any doubt on this, people? Any doubt on this? Any doubt on this? Is this clear? Okay. Next. Next question. Next question. Okay, calendar of the year 2005 is same as for the year. So 2005 calendar and which other calendar will be same? 2005 calendar and which calendar will be same? Again, 7-day, it should count, correct? So let's go. 2005, it will have one odd day. 2006, it will have one odd day. 2007, it will have one odd day. So 2008 is a leap year, so it will have two odd day. 2009, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it has happened. So 2009 will have one odd day. 2010 will have one odd day. So how many odd day passed? How many odd day passed? Should be 7 or multiple of 7. So it is, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you getting it? So 2005, what day it was? What day it will be starting? What day it will be starting, people? Just now we wrote 2005. It is Monday. It is Monday, correct? So 2010. 2010 was Sunday for us. 2005 it was Monday. 2010 it was Sunday. So the same calendar means 2011. 2011 it will be Monday again. Is that clear? Okay. So the same calendar as 2005, you can just add 7 to it, or you can, instead of doing all this, this is again, it is giving a problem there. Instead of this, just add 7, just add plus 7. So plus 7 is how much? Not 2011, plus 7 is the shortcut, it is 2012. So it is having the same calendar. Okay. Direct it is plus 7 you can do. You don't have to do all this. Directly 2012 is the right answer. Direct shortcut for same as is plus 7. Same as the year, same calendar is plus 7 is the shortcut. You can use this shortcut. Plus 7 is a similar shortcut instead of writing all that. Plus 7. Is this clear, people? Directly you can do. You can get it. And here you can do that directly because of the leap years it is coming same. Okay. Next question. If 9/12/2001 happens to be Sunday, then 9/12/2071 will be what? At what day it will be? At what day it will be? So they are saying 9/12/2001 is Sunday. So what is 9/12/1971? They are asking 1971. So 1971 means you should go how many years back? How many years back? 28 years back. 28 years back we should go. Okay. So in 28 years, 1971 if I take, if I subtract this, how many years are we getting? Subtract these 2 years, how many years are we getting? 30 years, excluding these two, it is 30 years. So 30 years means how many leap years and how many full years? How many leap years and how many full years? 30 years means how many leap years and how many full years? Okay. So every 4 year there will be one leap year. You can see that. So you can see that every 4 years there is one leap year. So what we can do? We can divide it by 4. So dividing it by 4, how much are we getting? Dividing it by 4, how much are we getting? Every 4 year we are getting one leap year. So dividing it by 4, how many 4 are we getting? So you take off this 2001 and this. So I can take 28. It is very easy to take it. You remove this 2001 and 2071. Between them there is 28. So I can take 8 leap years and 22 normal years. Leap year means 2 odd days. Normal means 1 odd day. So this is giving 16 and this is giving 22. What is 22 plus 16, people? What is 22 plus 16? What is 22 plus 16? Is 38 days. 38 days. So how many divide by 7? What is the remainder? What is the remainder? What is the remainder? If I take 28, leaving this 2001 and leaving 2071, if I take 28 years, okay, so leave 2001, it has not, it's been 12 months there of 2001, it is not completed. Here also it is 12 months. So it is, what is the remainder here? Remainder is 3. So what is the answer, people? If remainder is 3, what is the answer? 3 odd days. What is the answer? Yeah, and 2 years are there, no? These 2 years are there, no? 2001 and 2071. 3 plus 2001 plus 1971. So 3 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 days, 5 odd days. 1 odd day of this. I took it 28, no? I took 28, no, not 30. So 5. For 5 means it is Thursday. Thursday is the right answer. Is this clear? Is this clear, people? Okay. So if I take 30, this calculation would be very odd. I would not get it clearly. So I'm dividing by 4, so I can get easily 8 and we can talk about it. Correct? Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Hope you're getting what I'm trying to do here. Okay. So it has passed 12 here and 12 here. So we have got that one extra day in the February here and the February here. Okay. February 2001 and February 2000 this. So we have got 5 odd days. 5 odd days. 5 odd days means it is Thursday, starting from Sunday. Any doubt on this? I'm going to the next question. I'm going to the next question. Find the day of the week of 16 July 1976. How would you do this? July 16 means it is 75 plus July means January, February, March, April, May, June. June is 6 months. Plus how many days? Plus how many days, you tell me, people? Plus how many days? Plus 16 days. Are you getting it, people? Are you getting it? So you can, in 1600 there was 0 odd days. In 1600, to talk about this, in 1600, 0 odd days, 0 odd days. So you can understand in 1775 I need. 1775 means 1600 to 1700, there will be 5 odd days. Then in 75, how many odd days? How many odd days, people? So 1700, if I take for 100 years, I will get 5 odd days. And then for 75 years, so the remaining 75 years, how many odd days I'm going to get? The remaining 75 years, how many odd days I'm going to get? Yeah, 3 odd days it would be. It would be next 100, that would be 3 odd days. It is 75 years, so I can take 2 odd days. 25 is remaining now still. So in 25 years, one more odd day will come. If it is 100, I would have taken this. In 6 months, how many odd days I'm going to get? In this 6 months, how many odd days I'm going to get? The next 6 months, how many odd days I'm going to get? Okay. You can see that this 6 month will give you 2 odd days. 6 month, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, like that. If you check, it will be 2 odd days. And in this 16 days are there. 16 days, how many odd days it will give? How many odd days it will give? This 16, how many odd days it will give? Let's check this 6 month odd days. So 31. 31 means how much? 31 means Monday it starts with 30. 30 means how many odd days? You can do it directly for 6 month. 30 plus 20, 1770. This is an odd leap year. So 29 days will come. Yes or no? 29 days will come. That's a leap year. So 29 days will come. So then 31, 30, 31, 30. So what is the sum here? What is the sum here? And plus 16 I can take. Plus 16. If I take all of them together, plus 16. So what is the total number of days? Here it is 7, so 0 odd days. 7, so 0 odd days. So how many days here? Add this 30 plus 29 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 16. How many odd days? Total how many days and how many odd days? 198 days. 198 divided by 7. What is the remainder, people? What is the remainder? What is the remainder here? Directly, if I do, what is the remainder here? Okay, 2 is the remainder. If 2 is the remainder, then I can go for Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday is the right answer. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear? Any doubt on this, people? Any doubt on this? Any doubt on this? Okay. Next question. Is a very simple question. Next question is a very simple question. The next year to 1991 having the same calendar as of 1990. What is the right answer? What is the right answer? The next year of 1991, the year next to 1991 having the same as 1990, they are asking. 1990, they are asking. What is the right answer? The year next to 1991. So one way you can think it like that. Yeah, 2002, Harshit, very good, very good. 2002 is the right answer. 2002 is the right answer. Very good, Harshit. 2002 is the right answer. So 1990, you can take the values you can go on taking. At 2002, 2001, you will get it as 14. So at 2002, it will be the same as 1990. Okay, after 1991, 2002 will get the same value. Is that clear, everybody? Because 2 times the leap year will come, 2 times the leap year will come. So you just have to add 12, okay, not 14. 2 times the leap year will come. So you're adding, 12, not 14. Is this clear, everybody? 2 times the leap year. So 2 times, it will come. So you're not adding plus 7 and plus 7. If there is no leap year, you're adding plus 7. So you're adding 12 because the twice the leap year will come. So directly you're adding 12. So 2002 is the right answer. Very good, people. Very good. In the given option, I'm trying to say, the given option, or else 1997 would be the right answer. 1997 would be, that option is not there. 1997 is not there. 1997 is not there. Plus 7, 1990 ka plus 7. So that is 6 we will be adding. So plus 7, that is the next year of that is 1997 would have got the same calendar, but that is not there in the option. So I have to go to the next of it. Next of it. Next of it is a leap year will be joining there. The leap year will be joining. So I need to go with 2002. Is that clear? Plus 6 is 2002 is the right answer there. Is this clear, everybody? Okay. Next question and the last question. Today is Monday. After 61 days, how much it is? After 61 days. So again, 61 divided by 7, what is the remainder, people? What is the remainder here? What is the remainder? What is the remainder here? 8 can't be the remainder. 8 can't be the remainder. Shraddha, it is divided by 7. So 8 can't be the remainder. How can 8 be a remainder? Yeah, 8 can't be the remainder, right? 5. Very good. 5. So Monday plus 5. What is Monday plus 5? What is Monday plus 5? Saturday is the right answer. Very good, people. Very good. Saturday is the right answer. How it is 5? How it is 5? What is the remainder I am talking here? 61 minus 7, how much? 7 eights are how much? 7 eights are 56. Hope you remember 5 is the remainder. Okay, so Saturday is the right answer. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear? So hope you have understood. Any more doubts? Tomorrow 11 o'clock again I will be coming and I will be solving sequence and series tomorrow of old year question papers like this. And there are so many repeated questions and you can have a look on that. This is your mentor Abhijit Jacob from Trisha Classes, winding up the class for the day. Thank you so much. Take care.